Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best folding table with sink is probably one of the most versatile and practical additions to any home, workshop, or outdoor entertaining space, offering a convenient and integrated solution for washing up and food preparation wherever you need it most, making it an indispensable tool for anyone who values efficiency and adaptability in their daily tasks or recreational activities. Number 5. SereneLife Portable Hand Washing Station. Introducing a revolutionary portable hand washing station designed for ultimate convenience. It provides over 100 washes per fill, ensuring you stay clean wherever you go. Using it is incredibly easy. Simply step on the foot pump to get a continuous flow of water. This hands-free operation makes hygiene a breeze. Take it anywhere with ease thanks to its foldable handle and rugged wheels. Constructed from tough, weather-resistant high-density polyethylene, it's built to last through any adventure. This unit is a complete self-contained system. It includes a large freshwater tank and a flexible drain hose, making it perfect for standalone use or as part of a larger setup. Everything you need is included for immediate use. It comes with a wash basin, a soap dispenser, and all necessary accessories, making it ideal for any outdoor hand-washing need. What we like. This unit offers unparalleled convenience with its hands-free foot pump, delivering a generous water flow for over 100 washes per fill. If you're looking for a self-contained, easy-to-move hand-washing solution for outdoor events, camping, or work sites where water access is limited, this is your go-to choice. What people say. The table is sturdy and the sink is deep enough for washing dishes. It was easy to assemble and the drainage system works well. The folding mechanism is smooth and makes storage convenient. Number 4. Flash Furniture Wesley Portable Fish Cleaning Table. Introducing the Flash Furniture Wesley Portable Fish Cleaning Table. It's the perfect companion for all your outdoor adventures, from fishing trips to camping getaways. No more running back to the RV. This table brings essential washing and cleaning facilities right to your campsite, ensuring convenience and comfort. Featuring a built-in sink with a faucet, drain stopper, and hose attachment, cleaning your catch or equipment is now incredibly simple and efficient. Designed for life on the go, this table sets up in moments and folds compactly for easy transport and storage, making it ideal for any outdoor excursion. With its generous dimensions and a dedicated sink area, it serves as an excellent prep and cleaning station for all your outdoor activities. What we like. This table is designed with outdoor enthusiasts in mind, featuring a built-in sink perfect for cleaning fish or prepping food. If you enjoy fishing, camping, or need a convenient outdoor prep station for your RV or backyard, this offers a practical and accessible solution. What people say. The table is sturdy and the sink is a good size for washing dishes. It folds up easily for storage and doesn't take up much space. The stainless steel construction is durable and easy to clean. Number 3. iClimb Extendable Folding Table. Introducing the iClimb Extendable Folding Table, designed to offer a surprisingly large tabletop area. Its unique extendable design allows you to configure it for any gathering size. Despite its generous size when set up, this table is incredibly ultralight and packs down small. It's perfect for taking on all your adventures without adding bulk. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, it's built to last and can support up to 66 pounds. The hollow-out tabletop reduces weight and prevents water from pooling. Whether you're camping, having a barbecue, or enjoying a beach trip, this table is your ideal companion. It's stable, heat-resistant, waterproof, and easy to clean. Setting up and packing away is a breeze with its detachable components. It even includes a ripstop carry bag for effortless transport and a nylon mesh for sundries. We stand behind the quality of this table with a limited lifetime warranty against manufacturer defects. Enjoy peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. Its unique extendable design allows for a significantly larger tabletop area, making it ideal for group gatherings. If you often host outdoor parties, BBQs, or camping trips and need a versatile, lightweight table that can adapt to various group sizes, this is an excellent option. What people say. The table is sturdy and the sink is deep enough for washing dishes. It was easy to set up and fold away for storage. The stainless steel construction is durable and easy to clean. Number 2. Old Cedar Outfitters Fish and Game Cleaning Table. Introducing the authentic original design, specifically engineered for your fish and game cleaning needs. This is the ultimate solution for outdoor enthusiasts. Keep your essential knives and tools neatly organized and readily accessible with convenient cutouts. Everything you need is within easy reach for a smooth cleaning process. Prepare your catch with confidence on the food-grade plastic work surface. It ensures a safe and hygienic environment for all your fish and game preparation. Get started right away with the included complete plumbing kit. It comes with a drain assembly and faucet for immediate setup and hassle-free use. The integrated sink design provides a dedicated space for washing and rinsing. This built-in feature makes cleaning operations more efficient and convenient. Take it anywhere or store it with ease thanks to its portable construction. The folding legs allow for simple storage and transportation when it's not in use. Measure your fillet or cut of meat directly on the cutting surface with the built-in ruler along the side. This integrated tool adds precision to your preparation. What we like. This table is purpose-built for cleaning game and fish, featuring integrated tool storage and a built-in ruler for precise measurements. If you're a hunter or angler who values efficiency and organization during the cleaning process, this dedicated station will streamline your tasks. What people say. The table is very sturdy and can hold a lot of weight. The sink is a good size and deep enough for washing dishes. It was easy to assemble and set up. Number 1. ReunionG Folding Fish Cleaning Table. Introducing the ReunionG Folding Fish Cleaning Table, your ultimate companion for outdoor adventures. This portable station is designed for convenience and efficiency. It features a connectable sink system, allowing you to easily hook up a fresh water source. This makes cleaning your catch and the table a breeze. Beyond fish, this table is perfect for cleaning wild game, meats, fruits, and vegetables. Its multifunctionality makes it suitable for various outdoor culinary tasks. Designed with a portable folding leg system, it's incredibly easy to move and store. Take it with you on your next camping trip or picnic without any hassle. Constructed from Zucca material and Foimoj parienti, this table is built to last. Enjoy reliable performance wherever your adventures take you. Whether you're in the garden, at a picnic, or using your RV, this cleaning station provides a practical solution. It's designed for your outdoor lifestyle. What we like. This option provides a connectable sink for easy water access and a versatile surface for cleaning various items, from fish to fruits. If you need a portable and adaptable cleaning station for your garden, picnics, or camping trips, this offers convenience and multi-purpose functionality. What people say. The table is very sturdy and well-made, perfect for my outdoor kitchen. The sink is a good size and drains well, making cleanup a breeze. It was easy to assemble and looks great in my patio area. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.